Hi, hello everyone, and thanks for being here. Did you know that most women think that inflammation is diet only? Well, it is diet, but I did some research recently, and science has revealed that yes, it's diet, but it's also your habits and your environment. In this video, I'm sharing 5 habits that work for me to calm my inflammation in my body. And when I say inflammation, I'm talking about chronic inflammation. So, hi everyone, I'm Bren Mitchell, and my channel is Embracing Prime Life. Hi, well, it's healthy living for quality Asian. But before we start, let me just make a quick note. I am not a doctor, nor am I a professional clinical person. I am a spirited baby boomer on a journey to reduce inflammation, be energized, vibrant, and live a quality life while I age. So, all right, so we got that done. So, again, just make sure before you make any changes or do anything, check with your healthcare provider before you make any health changes. All right, so that's done. So now let's get started. Let me talk about my 5 habits. Um, the 5 habits that I have are in play because I want to reduce, lower chronic inflammation in my body. Now, I'm not talking about acute, I'm talking about chronic inflammation. Okay, so I have 5 habits that I practice that work for me. And the first habit, number one, is sun gazing and walking. Now, I don't look directly at the sun, but I do stand in the sun for 10, 15 minutes, and I walk 2 to 3 times a week because walking improves circulation. And of course, when you're in the sun boosts vitamin D, and vitamin D helps to reduce inflammation. And I'm talking about chronic inflammation. So my habit number 2 is one of my favorite self-care habit, and it's the infrared sauna. Now I utilize my gym sauna, and it's infrared. You have to hydrate before and hydrate after. Now I just want to say, for those who may have health issues utilizing an infrared sauna, please check with your health care provider. Now, I'm not on any meds, I don't take medications, so I utilize the infrared sauna, and it works great. It goes to the cellular level, it helps me sweat out toxins, helps my circulation, and of course, the reduction of inflammation. So, the third one, get ready, it's kind of chilly. It's cold shower. It's a cold shower and cold splashes on my face. But let me just share something. Growing up, I had no idea splashing my face with cold water would be beneficial. Well, turns out it is. Um, I still do it. I'm in my 60s, so I still, when I cleanse, wash my face at the end, I put cold water on it, and I just love that sensation. But anyway, cold shower. How I do that at the end of my shower, I just turn it to cold and I stay in there for as long as I can. Of course, might hear a scream or two because it's chilly. Um, but I do the cold shower, and that's beneficial. And the cold showers or cold face splashes and cold showers stimulates the vagus nerve, and the vagus nerve helps to help you reduce stress. And of course, you reduce stress, you reduce inflammation. The fourth thing habit that I do is resistant tubes, and they came in handy because recently I was traveling, and I was able to put my resistant tubes right in my suitcase. And strength training is not always about heavy weights. I use the resistant tubes, and it works great because when you build, keep your muscles built, that helps to reduce inflammation as well. The fifth habit is one of my favorite beverage, and it's green tea. And green tea has a polyphenol compound that helps to reduce inflammation. And also green tea helps to reduce the inflammatory biomarkers CRP and IL-6. those are markers in the body that shows, if you have a lot of inflammation, chronic inflammation that is growing. So those are my 5 habits. Number 1, sun gazing and walking 30 minutes. Number 2 is infrared sauna um, at the cellular level. Number 3 is cold shower, cold face splashes. Number 4, resistant tubes. And number 5, green tea. So let me know in the comments below which one of the 5 will you be trying, or which one of the 5 have you used, and hit me up with a comment below and let me know. And plus, this helps to grow my channel, because this channel is especially for us women, especially those who want to be healthy and live vibrant and feel good throughout the aging process. Okay, so with that said, if you could like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll know when I'm doing my next video. And my videos will be geared around tips, resources, um, around my journey to help women in my age group. And I'm in my 60s, but it's for any woman to benefit from living a healthy quality life. Okay, so I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate those who are new. I appreciate those who came back. Thank you. I bid you all peace and blessings. And stay tuned for my next video. And I look forward to chatting with you then. Take care. Bye.